Do you still remember our previous menu for breakfast? Now we're going to have another one. That is a pancake. Now I'm going to show you how to make a pancake. These are the ingredients for making a pancake. There is a flour, milk, melted butter, 2 eggs, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Pour the dry ingredients to the bowl. They are 225 grams flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. And then mix them together. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, such as the eggs, melted butter, and milk. Add the wet ingredients to the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir them until you stop seeing flour. And also stir them carefully. Remember to not overmix, which makes the batter tough. Turn the stove to medium-high heat and place a large skillet or pancake mold on the burner. Add oil to the skillet or pancake mold. And then use a tissue to lightly wipe the bottom of the skillet or pancake mold. This will keep the pancake from sticking. Pour butter into the skillet or pancake mold. For each pancake, gently pour a half or 1 cup butter using a ladle. Use a ladle to spread the butter into a circle. Well, when you see the bubbles begin to pop in the pancake center, means it's ready to be flipped. Insert the entire spatula under the pancake's middle. Lift the pancake quickly and flip it over. And now it's time to plating the pancakes. Serve the pancakes warm with desired toppings. Maybe you can use a maple syrup, ice cream, honey, etc. And this is it.